Hey guys, my name's Lee and I want to tell you how I made $15,000 last summer starting a rental business out of my backyard.
Well, this is my program, Wave Apps. It's free, and there you can see the time period, May 15th to October 7th. I made $15,489.17. And with this program, I can do my invoices and take credit card payments and do everything for free, other than 2.9% on the credit card payments.
So you're gonna want to get 3 6-foot tables, 30 folding chairs, and you're gonna want to get 2 light-duty pop-up tents. So your main focus is gonna want to be backyard parties, specifically party packages. The very first thing that you're gonna want to do is name your business. So find a cool name. And then you're gonna want to go to Vintage Logo. It's an app on your cell phone. You can go to any logo program. That's just the one that I use, Vintage Logo, and I'll show it to you right here. After that, you're going to want to create a Facebook page. You're going to want to create a Google account. You're also going to want to create a Weebly webpage or a free webpage from Wix or any of those free webpage people out there. The next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to, you want a forum on your website so people can pick the package. So for me, I use Zoho forums. So I'll show it to you right here. You're going to want to start out by putting an ad on Kijiji or Craigslist selling a party package for X amount of dollars, right? And what you're going to want to include is 2 tents with 8 weights and 2 tables and 25 chairs. It's very simple. People just pick it up from your house. They fill out the form online. You send them the quote. You send it through Wave Apps. And then if they like it, all they have to do is pay online and then they can secure it with their credit card. You take credit card payments so you look professional enough, and that is going to get the ball rolling for you. So then just keep buying more. Reinvest that money. Reinvest. And you keep doing that and you're going to make tons of money. I did basically this and I made $15,000 my very first summer. But you have to work hard. You have to give it your all. As soon as you can, you want to start buying more tents, more tables, and more chairs, because those are your money-making products. And then you can buy the side items once you grow a little bit. So it's as simple as that. That's how you start a home-based business from your house. So now it's time to go out there and start making some money. So I have many other videos on my websites about bartending, photo booths, and rental companies. So make sure and check out my page. Give this video a like if it's helpful or informative for you. And make sure and subscribe because I always have fresh content coming out. Thanks for watching, YouTube.